So we've been in India for a long time now, and now we've started harboring global aspirations. So this is the first step in that journey. I've been contemplating of exhibiting at the Automechanika for the last year or so, and having set the team in place, we thought this is the right step, the right first step. Um, good experience so far, and good learnings as well. And the biggest learning is that the world is a stage, not only India. So the exposure that you get over here, the scale that you see over here, is something which is not there in India. So I've got some great inquiries so far, a lot of interest. While there are a lot of players in the UAE, but global customers are also looking at India, very very favorably, and many customers who've been sort of procuring from the region are now wanting to sort of diversify the supply chain and look at India as well. So from that perspective, it's been a great experience so far. Um, I think with this experience, I mean next year we'll be much bigger and much stronger over here. Yeah. Well, it's all about customer experience at the end of the day. So what we've done very successfully in India is met the basics and and did it really well. We have not tried to sort of do something which is completely out of the box. We've just like focused on the basics, done it really well. Focused on quality. That's been a USP right from the start. Focused on service, focused on customer experience. So the basic cost, quality, delivery, service, all of that has been met. I think we'll be able to sort of, we'll look forward to replicating the same thing for the global markets. I think, quality is going to be the foundation on which we'll be going ahead. A lot of, products, which are manufactured and sold in this and from this region is not of the highest quality standards. So that is something that, we look to change over here. No, it's hugely important. At the end of the day, it's all about perception, and so the brand India, the perception today is getting stronger and stronger by the day. If you look at the beauty segment, they sort of promote a London or a Paris, as a brand. Similarly, India as a manufacturing brand, is also sort of coming a long way. I think our Prime Minister and the government has done a fantastic job. So, I mean, back in the day, we had to explain customers, that we can actually give you a good quality product. Now there's more confidence. Sure. Interesting question. So, I mean, the markets which we are looking at are LATAM, GCC, Southeast Asia, and Africa as well. Africa is the next big opportunity where there is tremendous growth potential which is there. So we're looking at all of these markets. As a percentage, we have not like really kept any targets right now. As I said, it's still very very early days for us, so we're taking baby steps. So this year has been quite promising so far. I think we'll be ending the year in decent double-digit growth trajectory, where both our OEM business as well as our Velvex brand has done exceedingly well. This year, our exports also have increased from India for all product categories. Be it lubricants, AdBlue, white oil, and transformer oil. So that's been increasing. We're very bullish for the next year as well. There are a few projects that we are working on, which we are hopeful of fructifying in the next few months. We are building the brand Velvex. This is the second year of a partnership with Lucknow Super Giants in India. So during IPL, you'll be seeing a lot of Velvex around, a lot of campaigns that we've planned. So I think with that visibility, that'll really help us drive the sales as well. So yeah, we're very bullish about next year. Um, and also from an export perspective, right now we're looking at exporting out of India, but we also have plans of setting up some operations within the UAE.